Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe in their own home. Today, I want to review one of my favorite product, that is Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island, Korea. It is a 99% aloe vera gel with special ingredients such as white lotus, vitamin E and vitamin B5. This is based on Korean formulation, but the product is made in India. This aloe vera gel is almost fragrance free and colorless. The Pilgrim brand is 100% vegan, cruelty free, sulfate and paraben free. I must say the packaging is quite impressive. Now coming to the applications, you can use it as a moisturizer by applying a thin layer to the skin twice a day. It absorbs like a miracle. It is a non-sticky formula too. You can use it as a face mask by applying a thick layer evenly on face and neck. Rinse and pat dry after 20 minutes. You can also use this as a primer. The major highlights of the product are aloe vera helps to reduce acne spots, sunburns, and itching. It can also be used as a hair mask as well as conditioner. Just look at the shine. Wow! I definitely recommend this to use it, guys. And yes, don't forget to use my coupon code PGFS15 to get additional 15% off on your purchase. So go and grab it now.